Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with news from the agriculture sector. Minister Floyd Green says the government needs more time before making a decision on whether to import more foods to supplement the local market. He says the next few weeks will be used to do an assessment of supplies and production. Production lines across sections of the country were either totally destroyed or badly impacted. These include banana, plantains, as well as several fruits. The situation has already led to suggestions from some farmers and vendors and other sector stakeholders that the country could be faced with a shortage of some foods as well as hiking prices.
Our first thing is to see where we have the local production and to see what is the fall off and in which area has the fall off been the most. Additionally, where we can ramp up production in areas that have not been impacted, especially in those cash crops that are a quick turnaround, we will look to ramp up production. So where we have greenhouses still standing, where we have farmers that we can provide them with the input that they can ramp up production, that will be our first port of call. I think over the next week and a half, we will have a better picture to see if we need to bring in supplemental products to help our food security.